Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for all shy English learners: how to start any conversation in English confidently.
Yes, if you're shy, starting a conversation can feel scary. You might worry about mistakes or being judged. But don't worry, we'll guide you step by step.
By the end of this video, you'll have simple techniques and practical examples to start speaking English without fear.
First, let's understand a key point. Conversations are just sharing thoughts.
Exactly. Many shy people overthink English. They worry about grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. But remember, most people just want a friendly chat, not perfect English.
So, tip number 1, focus on communication, not perfection. Even if your sentences aren't perfect, people will understand you if you're confident.
And tip number 2, start small. You don't need to give long speeches. Short sentences like, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice weather today, isn't it?" work wonders.
Now let's talk about greetings. Greetings are the easiest way to start a conversation.
Right. Simple greetings like, "Hi, how are you?" "Hello, nice to meet you." "Good morning, how's your day?"
These are universal and polite. And the best part, they don't require you to know much English.
You can also combine greetings with a compliment. For example, "Hi, I like your shoes. Where did you get them?" Or, "Hello, your bag is really nice. I like the color."
Compliments are great conversation starters because everyone likes a positive comment.
The next tip is to talk about your surroundings. This works anywhere: school, office, cafes, or parks.
For example, if you're at a coffee shop, you could say, "This cafe has a nice vibe, doesn't it?" Or, "I love their cappuccino. Have you tried it?"
Or if you're at a library, "It's so quiet here today." Or, "I love the section of books. Do you come here often?"
Talking about something around you is natural. It's easier for shy people because you don't have to invent topics from scratch.
Tip number 4, ask questions. This is one of the most effective ways to keep a conversation going.
Yes, questions show interest. People love to talk about themselves.
Examples: "What do you do?" "How long have you been here?" "Do you like this place?"
And if you're in school or college, you can ask, "Which class are you in? Do you like this subject?"
Remember, shy people should focus on listening too. Asking questions gives you time to think about your next sentence while the other person talks.
Next, let's talk about body language. Shy people often speak softly or look down, but body language matters a lot.
Yes, simple things like smile, make eye contact, nod when the other person speaks, stand or sit confidently.
Even if your English isn't perfect, a friendly smile makes a big difference. People respond positively to warmth.
Another key tip is practice. You can't become confident overnight, but small steps every day help a lot.
Start with short conversations. Say hi to neighbors. Ask a shopkeeper, "How's your day?" Talk to a friend about small topics.
Record yourself if you want. It helps you hear your own voice and improve gradually.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Let's do some role play for shy learners.
Sure. Example 1. At a coffee shop.
Hi, I like your coffee. Is it good?
Yes, it's my favorite. Have you tried it before?
No, first time. Thanks for the suggestion.
See? Short, simple sentences, and it feels natural.
Example 2, at a park.
Hello, your dog is very cute. What's his name?
Thanks. His name is Max. Do you like dogs?
Simple, short, and friendly. Shy people can practice these scenarios at home.
Here are a few extra tips. 1, use phrases you already know. Don't try complicated sentences.
2. Repeat sentences in your mind before speaking.
3, focus on one person at a time. Don't worry about impressing everyone.
4. Celebrate small wins. Every conversation counts.
Remember, confidence grows slowly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So, to sum up, start with greetings, comment on surroundings, ask questions, smile, and practice.
And most importantly, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every conversation is a step toward confidence.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips.
Yes, and comment below if you want us to share more real-life conversation examples for shy people.
Both see you next time and keep speaking English without fear.